Do you want to make a website without coding? Even if you are a complete beginner, this video is for you. This class is especially made for people who never used Elementor before. If you have a basic WordPress knowledge and you want to create a beautiful and responsive website, then this course will help you a lot. After completing this course, you will be able to design your own website easily. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. Let me explain what you will learn in this course. Elementor Basics. You will learn what Elementor is and how to use it in WordPress. You will understand everything in a very simple way so beginners feel comfortable. Elementor Features. Next, you will learn about the main features of Elementor. You will learn how to add text, images, buttons, and design pages without any coding. Elementor Plugins. Then I will show you some useful plugins that work with Elementor. These plugins make your work easy and fast. Templates and blogs. After that, you will learn how to create pages using ready-made templates and blogs. This helps you build pages quickly and professionally. Build a website from scratch. Finally, you will learn how to create a full website from scratch. No coding skills needed. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can do it. If you face any problem while learning, I am always here to help you. You can ask me your question anytime. So don't worry and don't hesitate. Join this class and start learning Elementor step by step. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.